Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam and this is my channel. I drank a shitload of coffee and my energy is like through the roof right now. Coffee's literally crack. Okay. Anyway, so I really wanted to film something quick and easy for you guys while the sun is like shining. Hopefully the lighting's good right now. It looks like it's good. We got some sun in New York finally. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin. This is literally gonna be like one of those looks where you want to look cute, you don't have that much time, but you have a little bit of time. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna say it's a 10-minute makeup or anything like that. It's just you want to look nice type of makeup. I'm sorry if I'm looking over this way, is because people are literally walking by and looking at me like a psycho. Anyway, we're gonna start off with some No Poreblem Touch and Soap Primer. So I'm just gonna put 2 pumps of that in my hands like that and get it all over my face. You definitely want to have a nice smooth canvas. I already moisturized. I went ahead and I put some eye cream on and I put some sunscreen. Now we're makeup ready. Let's put some pumps of that on it. So that's 3 little pumps right there. And I'm just applying that. So today I was actually supposed to start my no coffee. And I went all morning without coffee. What did I have? I had my protein shake after the gym and all that good stuff. As soon as it hit 12:30, I felt so tired. All I wanted to do was sleep. I was like, no, I'm not gonna give in. I'm not gonna give in. So next I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows and put some concealer on. So anyway, so it hit 12:30 and I was like, oh God, what am I gonna do? I have so much work to get done today. And guess what? So yeah, then I went and I made myself a coffee. I cut my hair even shorter. I'm actually trying to go through like the whole transitioning into curly thing. And it looks cute and everything, but like the first 2 days. Then after that I get lazy and I'm like, I don't know if I made the right decision. I mean, it's not short enough where I can't wear it straight. So I still wanted to be able to wear it. I'm trying to do just twice a month with my hair straight. I don't know. We're gonna see if it works for me. I honestly can't be like one of those people, like people who've done like the big chop. I feel like that's a lot for me. That's extreme. I don't like that much change like so soon. So after that, I'm just gonna go and fill in any other spots with my dip brow. So now I'm picking up both the Tarte Shape Tape in tan and medium. I'm just placing little dots under it. Remember, girl, we don't have that much time. I mean, we got some time, but not that much time. I think one of the things for like achieving that really nice, oh, she looks cute today kind of look is it's just making everything look nice and clean. It's not even like working really hard because you don't have that much time. But like, if you're cleaning up your brows, do them nice and clean. Some more of that concealer in tan. And I'm just putting it all down here around my lips. This little sting on my freaking forehead. And then I'm picking up medium and I'm getting literally right under my eye because that's where that goes. Just to brighten it up. And I'm putting a little right on my actual lids. And then I'm just blending that out. If you do have to combine concealers like I do, be sure to always blend out the darkest one first and then the light one. And don't forget to wet your beauty blender. It's very important. Very, very important. I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation. And I'm just using the HudaBeauty powder and kunafa as per usual. As you can see, I didn't go heavy on the concealer. Oh, I'm also using the Pretty Vulgar setting powder just right under my eyes and right here on top. I usually don't set my lids, but when I'm like in a hurry and I know I'm not gonna go in on like a makeup look, I'll set them. Next, I'm gonna jump right into contouring, and I'm not gonna go ahead and do the whole like liquids and everything in powder. I'm just gonna go right into a powder, and I'm gonna do a light contour. So I'm going right into the contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Mine is super beat up. It looks like this. Super duper beat up. I probably should not even be showing you guys. And I'm just picking up a fluffy brush, and I'm literally, you guys, dipping in it. And I just want to look like I tried, but not that hard. You get it? You get it? You get it? I just contour a little bit with no like precise contouring like I would normally do, but more of like a, just kind of like a, what can I call it? It's kind of like a brush of color. Nothing too crazy. So I also take some of that contour and just go like this, right under. Just to define that a little bit. And something I do go in with, as always, is my blush. So I'm picking up my Note Desert Rose blush, as per usual. And I'm applying that to the apples of my cheeks. But it doesn't stop there. I apply it to the tip of my nose and a little bit to my forehead. With that same blush, I'm going in with a, let's do a, okay. I'm going in with Morphe's M433, and I'm just picking up a little bit of that blush, whichever blush is your preference. I'm tapping that extra off, and I'm going right into my crease. See? It literally just like defines it in like 2 seconds. So you want to just kind of blend that in your crease, blend it upwards, blend it all around, except for on your actual lid. So it's like in the crease and a little bit above the crease, all over in this area, using any fluffy brush. Now I'm going into a darker color. Now I'm going into Rebel. Maybe I won't go into Rebel. Now I'm going into Smarty Pants, which is one of those neutral kind of browns. And this is what it looks like. You guys know that my Tarlet in the Bloom palette is like my go-to. It's like my favorite palette. So I'm just dipping it in there. Same brush, and I'm putting that precisely in right here. Now I deepened it up even more, and it just gave us a little bit of, so yeah, it gives you a little bit of a shape, makes your life look more put together. We don't gotta be put together, but as long as we look it, girl, that's it. So literally go in your eye socket and like get right in there, and that's exactly where, like, that's the only area where you're putting this color. So it's just literally go in your socket, you feel it in your eye socket, and then you just go back and forth just right there. Honestly, you dip it into the eyeshadow twice, if that. This is my second time. So after you do that, kind of tap off anything that's on it and I blend those two. Just a soft blend, literally no pressure on the brush. And then just with my finger, I'll pick up any shimmery color. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do Funny Girl actually. So that looks like that is actually right here. And I'm just picking up my ring finger, literally just getting the color in there, and I'm tapping it on both sides of my eyes. And then using that same one brush, I just go back into that crease and blend out any harsh line that I may have done with my finger. I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner. You guys know my favorite eyeliner is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'll use my Unleashed from HudaBeauty and then just top that with some lashes. Okay, you guys, lashes are on. I'm gonna pick up some of my iStudio eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go over my lash band with it, just because it gives it more of a natural look. So the cool thing about this is you can go either way. So now at the bottom waterline, you can either go with a dark color, whatever your preference is, or a lighter. Usually because I have small eyes, I go with a light color like a nude or a white. Yeah, today I'm gonna go in with black just because I don't find my nude eyeliner. And I just did a small line. So with my beauty blender, is how I want to apply this highlight today. I'm just tapping in there and going right there, a little bit down the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and just a little right in the center of my forehead, just a little, as well as my tear duct. Go ahead and apply some of my MAC Fix Plus in Goldie Light. Give it a minute before I apply some highlight. For lipstick today, I think I'm gonna go with a wearable color, which is Gerald Cosmetics 1995. It's literally one of my favorites, and it's one of those lipsticks that don't bother me when I have it on all day, and it looks like this. Hold on, because it's a little, got some makeup on it. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look. The cool thing about this look is you can always tweak it. So like your bottom lash line, you can add a bright color in there, like some pop of color or whatever, depending on what you're doing. If you're going to work, maybe you don't want to, or maybe you want to because you don't give a shit, whatever. But yeah, this is basically my go-to look. It's one of those quick, like, I'm coming to pick you up in 30 minutes kind of look. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys would like to see. And I got lipstick on my teeth because, you know, fucking cute. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you want to see. Again, I'm going to tell you because I'm keeping the videos rolling. You see it, right? All right. Bye, you guys.